Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw BMW M5 front. Start by drawing a centered hood rectangle, then add a curved bumper line and light construction guides. Block in the kidney grille with 2 vertical ovals and place the headlights symmetrically beside them. Keep your strokes light so you can refine shapes later. Focus on proportion first, then add details, then adjust line weight to finalize the front view. Now refine the grille and lights with measured strokes and attention to detail. Add inner slats and a thin chrome surround for the kidney grille, then carve the headlights with sharper upper edges and softer lower curves to give that aggressive M5 look. Constantly compare left and right sides using a center line. Clean up overlapping construction marks and ensure spacing between grille, headlights, and bumper looks balanced before moving to shading. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy drawing tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab darn tough socks for long studio sessions because life's too short for cheap socks and they come with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfortable and focused while you sketch. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick a pair if you want to treat yourself. Now let's get back to the video. Next, focus on the bumper, hood creases, and small details that make the M5 recognizable. Carve the lower intakes and suggest mesh texture with quick, consistent marks, then emphasize panel gaps and hood creases for realism. Add subtle reflections and cross-hatching on painted surfaces, but avoid overworking the rendering. Step back periodically, tweak proportions, and when satisfied, darken final lines and erase construction marks to reveal a clean front view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.